Hi, it's Chris, contracting specialist. I'm here in Islip, and what we're doing is we're doing the flat roof portion that we spoke about earlier that had the problem with, they had 3 roofs up underneath it. I'm here with my foreman, Mario, and what we're gonna show you today is, as you look at the roof, okay, they laid down the new roof, we stripped off the old 3 layers of roofing, and now what we're doing is we're getting ready to put the roof along this side. So, Mario, explain to the audience exactly what's going on at this point in time.
So we remove the old roof. Now we put the base. This is the base. Stick it to the plywood. Now we put the lifted roof, and then we leave the old flashing over there so it stick better so to prevent water leak. That's what we're doing this.
Okay, so it's very important. So whenever you have this done, as you can see, we took the old shingles, ran all the way down to the roof. So what we've done is taken off the shingles. All right, we're going to be doing the siding on the house. We put the base, as Mario said, the old copper flashing, very important, that stays in place. And then we put the base down, and now we're going to run the roofing over the flashing. So when the new siding comes down, it's going to run over the roofing. Now they're just going to put it in place right now.